Hey guys, Jen here from Millennial Nextdoor. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going over 8 websites to make $100 a day. Let's go. All right, so let's get into it. There are a million reasons why you may be wanting to make $100 a day, which can equal around $3,000 a month if you are earning every single day, including the weekends. And there are tons of websites that can help you reach that goal. The first one is this site called User Interviews. They conduct research, market research studies, and online panels where they poll consumers about various topics. Let me get logged in here and I'll show you behind the scenes of how it works. All right, so here's the site. As I mentioned, this is for paid research studies. So you'll be working one-on-one with someone from User Interviews who's going to ask you a series of questions that you should answer honestly. It's like a survey where you share your honest opinion, except for these tend to be a little longer, but they are more high paying as well. Here are some of the studies they're offering right now. You can see they range from $25, $50. This one is $250 for just 30 minutes. Here's another one, $250 for just 30 minutes, and they have a ton of these. This one's for $175, $300. So you can see that there's a range of them. The first step to get started with this is to join User Interviews. You'll go to userinterviews.com, sign up as a participant. It's free to join. You'll set up your profile and then you can start applying to the studies. When you find one you like, you're going to click into it. And then it's going to tell you more about the study. So you'll find the description where you can learn what kind of study it is. There's different ones. They do phone interviews, web interviews. They have diary studies where you don't talk to anybody and you do more note taking and provide your notes to User Interviews. This one is a one-on-one telephone interview. $25 is paid via Amazon gift card, and they're estimating it to take about an hour. Now, I have worked with User Interviews personally myself, and my study took about 30 minutes. They quoted an hour, but it actually took about 30 or 35 minutes, and it paid out either $100 or $125. I don't remember, and I believe it was an Amazon gift card. They quoted me a time around a week to receive payment, but I actually got it later that day. So it was a really good experience, and I still check back here for opportunities to make $100 a day or more just by sharing my honest opinion. So this is number one, User Interviews. All right, number two is a company called Respondent. This is at respondent.io. This is another market research company, very similar to User Interviews. So it's the same process. You're going to get signed up for free as a participant, fill out your profile, and the setup is almost identical to User Interviews. You'll have a list of studies available with the payout, the time requirement. You can click into it to learn more and just go through the screener. With both options, User Interviews and Respondent, if you're selected, you'll be contacted, and then you can pick an interview time if it's a telephone or web interview, and kind of kick things off from there. And this one pays around the same. I've seen studies range from $25 up to $400. Number three is Window Research. This is online survey taking. You can join the site for free. They even give you a $1 sign-up bonus. When you join, they have a variety of surveys that they offer, ranging from about 50 cents or so up to $50. They do have some high-paying surveys in there. It's a big range. You can expect the lower payout ones to be easier, faster, and then some of the higher paying ones may take a little bit longer. Because this one is a lower payout, it is going to take more of your time. So whereas with User Interviews and Respondent, it may take up to an hour to earn $100 or more, this one will likely take you a couple hours. The good thing is that the offers and the surveys on Vindale are in abundance, so you can go through and take as many as you want to, reaching or exceeding $100 a day. And this is at Vindale.com. All right, number 4 is the website Upwork.com. This is a freelancer marketplace, so this is going to be a great fit for you if you're a freelancer or if you have skills that you can monetize in a freelance capacity. So think about what you do in your day job and consider if you can do that on the side as a freelancer. Like, for example, if you're a graphic designer, there are tons of freelance graphic design jobs on Upwork.com. This is good for writers, computer programmers, software development, web design, animation, translation, transcription, editing, even virtual assistant work. Lots and lots and lots of categories. You can see some designer jobs here. Actually, almost 3,000 of them just in graphic design. So this is a great way to make up to or above $100 a day. What you'll do is go to Upwork.com, sign up for free. You're going to sign up as a freelancer. So I think the option says hire or work. You're going to go with work as the freelancer. Build your profile. And then once you're all set, you can start searching for jobs. So you can use the search feature here. As you're building your profile, it'll also ask you what industries you're interested in, and it'll fill your feed with jobs from that industry. And don't worry, what you pick for your interested industries, you can change in the future. It's not set in stone. These are some of the ones that I picked for my categories. And so it takes these kinds of jobs and it puts it in my feed. So every time I log in, I'll see these kinds of jobs. And I can change it, of course. So this is number 4, Upwork.com. This is great if you're a freelancer. If you're not a freelancer, you can definitely be one. You'll be working as an independent contractor. So that means that you're going to be working for a person where you typically don't get benefits, and you'll be responsible for doing your own taxes. Number 4, Upwork.com. All right, number 5 is Fiverr.com, and this is where you can sell your services also as a freelancer. And this is a little different than Upwork. With Upwork, there are clients that post jobs that they need to have filled. With Fiverr, instead, you're going to be posting the various jobs that you can do. So if you are a graphic designer, you can create a Fiverr gig for X amount of dollars for designing a social media graphic, for designing a book cover, for doing a website design, etc., etc. So you'll list each gig with a price, and then you'll basically sit back and wait for clients to come to you. And so that's how it works with Fiverr. You can join as a seller for free. These are some of the categories that they have. And the way Fiverr gets paid is they take a cut of your income. So if you book a gig for $100 for one day, they'll take a portion of that and hold that back before they pay you. And that's how that works. There are a ton of successful freelancers on Fiverr, some who have made over $1 million on the platform. So don't discount it. Check it out, Fiverr.com. All right, number 6 is the site called Activate, and this is a sponsored post network. So this is good to make money if you're an influencer. So if you are on social media like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you can go on Activate, sign up for free, and you'll be presented with a ton of brands that are looking to work with influencers just like you. Let me get logged in here and I'll show you behind the scenes real quick. All right, now you'll find a variety of different jobs on Activate that you can apply to. Some are free. Those are great for getting exposure online, and they're good for freebies. They're also great for contributing to a good cause. Like you can see, this one here is a non-cash offer for an Instagram influencer. And if you click into this, it'll tell you more about the campaign. All right, and so these are some of the different campaigns available. You can see in the lower left-hand corner of each one, you'll see if they're looking for a blog post or an Instagram story or Instagram promotion, Facebook, Twitter. They have some for TikTok, Pinterest. You can also go up here and you can filter. Like if you only want to see the TikTok ones, you can do that and it'll show you the ones. So the way this works is there's the non-cash freebie offers, which I just shared, and then there are campaigns under budget. So you can see this one here by Colecraft is for $300. And then a lot of them are on your bid or your quote. And this is where you pitch an amount to work with you. So you determine that and you just pitch. It's like fill in the blank to these companies. You can see these ones are for $100. And this one may just be tied into my personal profile. It may be different if your social influence is larger than mine. But this is the site Activate. It's activate.social for making money with sponsorships as an influencer. Number 7 is Clickbank. This is an affiliate network. So this is for affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you're going to be promoting products to your audience, and when they buy, you earn a commission based on the sale at no additional cost to them. So if you're selling a subscription box for $20 a month and there's a 50% recurring commission, then that means for each $20 sale, you get $10 or 50% every month for a set period of time or an undefined period of time, depending upon the affiliate program. So affiliate marketing is great because you can really earn a lot of money. It can be very lucrative. Clickbank is one of the networks you can join. What you'll do is sign up for free, and then you'll be able to go to their marketplace to view all the offers, what the payout is, and grab your affiliate link. All right, so once you log in, these are the categories here. So you can start by picking a category, and we'll click health and fitness. And then you can sort by gravity, which will shoot up the offers that are doing the best. And then you can click into the offer to learn more about it. So this takes you right to the offer where you can learn about the program, see what the customer is saying, the audience that you refer. The affiliate page is here where you can learn more about the product, what it's all about, any promotion or contest happening. And then to promote it, you just click this button. It'll give you your affiliate link and you can use that right away to start promoting. And so this is clickbank.com. Some ways that you can promote can include paid ads, your blog or website, social media, email marketing. Those are just a handful of ways you can promote on with using affiliate marketing. Number 8, ProBlogger.com. This is the website that has job listings for writers. So if you're a writer, or if you're not, but maybe you enjoy writing, or you could do writing to earn $100 a day, look at this site. It's at ProBlogger.com/jobs. So you can browse through the list to learn more about the different writing jobs available. You can click into this one, for example. This one is by Camera Geek. They're looking for part-time help in blog article writing. And it tells you here in a detailed description exactly what they're looking for, the content they need, how to send your application. Sometimes it may even go into what their budget is for payment, how they pay, how many people they're looking to add to their team, etc. Some have an apply online button. Some want you to email them directly. And if they have application instructions like this here, which is pretty thorough, make sure you read this completely and follow the instructions to apply. So this is a really interesting website where you can find jobs, and this is great for making $100 a day or more as a writer. Number 9 is Swagbucks at swagbucks.com. This is a website free to join where you can make money doing small tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, etc. I'll go ahead and get logged in and show you what it looks like. Registering is free. Once you're all signed up and you build your profile, you'll have access to the website immediately. These are the different ways that you can earn. So you'll notice you'll see SB throughout the site. This is the currency that you'll earn, SB or Swagbucks. So each activity that you do is tied to a certain number of Swagbucks. So you'll accumulate these points in your balance, and then you can redeem for gift cards, Visa gift cards to PayPal, Amazon, other popular retailers. Okay, so you can answer questions and survey taking. You can shop and earn currency that way, in-store deals, discovering stuff online, watching videos, searching, and playing games. This is a favorite for a lot of people because the site is so multifaceted. There are so many different things that you can do. You'll never get bored. And there's really not a cap to how many activities or tasks that you can do. So you can start raking up points pretty quickly whenever you want. You can access the site in your spare time, in the morning, at night, in the middle of the night, while you're waiting in the lobby of an appointment, whenever you want. And just continue doing these tasks as much as you want to earn up to or above $100 a day. And this is Swagbucks at swagbucks.com. Number 10 on the list of websites to make $100 a day, and I think I went over, but that is totally fine. This is Instacart. So Instacart, if you don't know, is grocery delivery. So as a consumer, if you want to have your groceries delivered, like if it's difficult to get out of the house, if your schedule's busy, really for any reason at all, you don't like grocery shopping, you can sign up for Instacart and have these shoppers do your shopping for you. You can create your shopping list online, pay for it online, and then they'll do the shopping and then they'll deliver it to your home. So you go to the Instacart site and sign up to be a shopper. And there's two different positions. There's a full service shopper, which is the person that's going to do the shopping and the delivering. And then there is, let's see, there's another shopper position. It looks like they may only be hiring for the full service shopper. The last time I visited the site, there's a second position, which is basically kind of like a part-time shopper. It's the person that only does the shopping. So if you don't have transportation for delivering groceries, or maybe you don't want to drive for the job, then you could have applied to that position, but they may only be hiring for this right now because I don't see the other position. So you can make up to or above $100 a day. If you consider the tips for this, grocery shopping can be expensive, $100, $200, $300 for a grocery trip. And if they pay you a 10 or 20% tip, that can be as much as $50 or $60 or more just for one shopping trip. And if you take 4 or 5 shopping trips a day, you've easily hit $100 a day just in tips, not even considering the salary that you earn from Instacart. So this is a great website to start making $100 a day as a grocery shopper and delivery driver. All right, well, that wraps up our list of websites to make $100 a day. Let me know what you think. Share your comments below. I really appreciate you watching. And if you're here with me, I doubly appreciate you watching to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, turn on notifications so you can be alerted of when I publish new content just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.